I'm Flavio Urizzi of CMA Astoria coffee machines. I gave a contribution to the book with pleasure when the Bazzara brothers asked me for it, because I firmly believe in spreading the gospel of coffee. My contribution was roughly to explain where coffee starts from, or the coffee machine started from, and to go quickly onto the new developments in the coffee machine industry. So I made a quick examination of machinery as far as the 4Ms are concerned, speaking about the development in Italy, but then that the internationalization, the globalization of coffee, even being provocative and saying that it's been stolen from the Italian culture, which is quite legitimate, because coffee has to be adapted to certain conditions around the world. Then I went on to speak about the present and the future of the machines, and I see the future in a type of machine such as we've developed and other companies also, sustainable products, sustainable in the sense of energy saving. Our company also is a sustainable company in the sense of the factory that we manufacture according to certain production lines, systems. The Plus for You machine that we've developed is an energy saving machine, a machine that is useful for the barista because it helps him. It's useful for the technician because it helps him to make his technical operations easier. It's useful for the coffee roaster because it gives a perfect product in the cup, which is how we satisfy the end user and how we can conquer the end user better. It helps also the owner of the restaurant or of the coffee shop because it makes him save on his energy bill. Then in future we are going to also have, as we see it already being strongly developed, the use of capsules and single as portion production of coffee. The capsules, the coffee pods, etc. We think that we have to work very strongly towards the aim of operating synergy between ourselves and the coffee roasters to make systems that are applicable to the single conditions of the market. Say, for example, where you don't have trained baristi, we must give them a hand and take away out of the equation the coffee grinder, so give them a capsule. Instead, where there is a specialty coffee situation, the baristi are more interested in having a grind-on-demand system applied to the machine. So there are many things we can work on. We as CMA want to work on the technology, on the sustainability of the products, of the production systems. We are in the Trieste coffee cluster, where we want to invest on on research for materials, equipment, technical solutions within the Trieste coffee cluster. I looked at the book very closely only before going to bed on the first day of the exhibition, but Franco Bazzara showed it to me at the conference we had, and I looked at it in a few seconds and I saw that there was things that really touched my heart. One is because I remember the Bazzara father, and now I see the two brothers, Mauro and Franco, going further along what the old man wanted to do. And it's a combination of culture, coffee, technology, a lot of things that have to drive us forward in this business. We have to get to the furthest corners of the earth to make the product coffee consumable. So it was with great pleasure that I supported the book, and it's with great pleasure that I introduced it at the conference. I must congratulate Mauro and Franco. They did a fantastic work, because there are many books that have been published on coffee, copied on coffee, but this is original because it gives us all the facets, all the different aspects of coffee with the human presence inside. So congratulations to Franco and Mauro, and I want to see the third book coming up it's going to be an enormous thing again.